Hey y'all, welcome to the channel, Teresa Rene, and I want to come on today and do the curl box for the month of October. Um, I was already snipped it, so it wouldn't take up so much time. However, look what I have here. This is a Cantu longer bristle, more reach, smooth, thick hair edge brush. I'm always glad to get an edge brush. So, because sometimes I do, brush them little gray edges, child. So, with that being said, y'all know it's probably before we even open it up a Cantu takeover. And let me show you the model because I always show the model. I always say if you make it to the cover, then you deserve to be shown. So, yeah, that's pretty. It says Curlbox, the fashion issue. That's pretty. And yes, it is a Cantu takeover. However, just wait a minute. Let's see what's in here because I don't recognize those products, just from. Okay, wait a minute. So we have here, so this is the goodie box. Let's just see what's in here, okay? Because it's not all products from what I can, like hair products. So here we have a sturdy double lift pick, anti-snap, and wait a minute. Anti-snap, non-slip grip, sturdy double pick. Yo, yes, girl. I really need this because let me see something right quick. Because I be picking my hair, y'all. I be lifting it up, so let's see. Ooh, girl, yes. Come on through, Curlbox. Oh, yo, I like this pick a lot. Yeah, I like this pick, y'all. Look how it's made. Like, yeah, can you see it? I really, really, really like how it lifts my hair up. Oh, yeah. Come on through, Curlbox. I like this. Cantu, rather. Okay. So here we have an easy wrap slide-on fashion headband. I love the colors in this. Yeah, this is really nice. It has the knot there, the knot tie. But yeah, that's really cute. I like this. I'm glad that they gave us something outside of just products. I really am excited about these items here, at least. I am. Because, sometimes it would be nice just to get a wrap or, something, a pick or a comb. Instead of so many hair products sometimes. Or like, just something. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, this might do something, y'all. I like that. We have here the coconut curl cream, of course. I've had this before, so this is not new to me, but this is the coconut curling cream. And y'all know what Cantu products smell like, what they look like. Oh, that smells good, though. I found, though, with current Cantu products, like, you really can't use a lot of it, and you really can't mix it with anything from my past experience. Next in the box, we have the Curl Stretcher Cream Rinse. Curl Stretcher Cream Rinse. Minimizes shrinkage and humidity resistance. Great for blowout or air dry styles. So that's what this looks like. You have the little snap there. Yeah. And here we have the natural hairspray. Now I'm glad to get this. This is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hairspray. It's a style, stay, frizz-free finisher. Style, stay, frizz-free finisher. Woo. Yes. So it says weightless hold for curly or straight styles, non-sticky, crunch-free, and no white flakes. Humidity resistant. I'm not seeing this now. This is new to me. I haven't seen this, but okay. And here is an Easy Stay Gel. Have we gotten this before? I got one. I got a Cantu gel open somewhere. I don't remember if this is it or not. Oh, but yeah. So we got the gel, we got the hairspray. I'm really excited to get the hairspray. We got a curl stretcher cream, and then we got a curling cream. We have the headband, the pick, and the edge control brush, which when I saw Cantu, I was like, because I'm not really a fan of Cantu products. However, these 3 products here alone brings a smile on my face. This one definitely brings a smile on my face. And the other 3, mediocre. Like, I could use the gel. I could always use the gel. So that's not bad. I like their gel, actually. What is it I'm using? Oh, I'm using Cream of Nature right there. I don't know, child. I got a few gels open. But I'm glad to get that. This, curling cream, I usually give these away. So anyway, that's what we got from Curlbox this month for the month of October. If you have not subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl, and I will holler back at y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.